What's going on, Welty family? And welcome back. Today, we're gonna do some pipeline welding with Chesham right here, and also with Travis Field on the other side as well. So, what he's gonna be doing today is we're gonna be doing some pipeline rods, okay? 8045 P2s, LHD 80s. Now, I've never ran these before. These are low hydrogen rods, pipeline, they all run downhill. You already know a lot of low hydrogen 7018, you run uphill, but this specific rods, they run downhill. I've never seen it done, but Klay, you said you've done it before a couple times, correct?
Done it a couple times.
Okay, sweet, sweet. So he's done it a couple times. Travis, have you ever used these rods before?
No, first
No.
time.
So this is kind of new for us. So Klay's gonna go ahead and run some fill and cap on this 12-inch pipe, and we're gonna see what it does. So again, these are gonna be the pipeline rods here, 8045 LHD 80 low hydrogen downhill rods. So I want to see what you can do, Klay. Do it.
So
I want to see. Let's do it. Let's go.
G'day there guys, Klay Chesham here again from Australia with Travis Field from Canada. We're back today. We're going to be testing out these Pipeliner 8045 P2 LHD 80s. I'm nowhere near an expert at it. I've used them a couple of times, but I know in Australia that they've used them on a couple of big jobs. But yeah, hopefully they're being picked up by a lot more companies on a lot more pipelines in the future. So they're nothing like a 7018, which are designed specifically to go uphill. These are downhill. You don't really need a lot of fill with it. You might catch cold lapping or whatever. So run them thin and hot. Once you're down on the side, you want that big lead angle and a bit of a longer arc, and you just stepping it side to side.
Pushing the puddle up.
Yeah, keeping that puddle uphill. These have been used on a couple of bigger jobs in Australia, and I'm sure they're going to start being used a lot more in the States.
Oh yeah.
All right, let's get into it.
Got to manipulate it a bit to flatten it out.
So like a side-to-side movement?
Yeah, a little bit of side to side. So you're not trapping anything on those toes.
Bit of a backhand angle, pushing the weld puddle up, holding the puddle up.
Yeah.
And agitation of the puddle to keep the slag back. But the slag is not very aggressive, so the slag's not trying to roll down.
And here's where the tricky bit starts. You've got to try and keep that puddle up.
So when he restarts it, he doesn't have the grind or nothing. He just strikes it like 718, comes down a bit, strikes the arc, and then comes back up to where it needs to start.
It's really full here.
There's more agitation of the puddle because the puddle wants to run down a bit and the slag wants to run down. So he's really moving side to side. Hold what appear to be steady uphand electrode angle. Keep the puddle back. It's just pushing the puddle up there. Over the left side, across the middle, a U shape, and to the right side. Beauty.
Yeah, that's running in there nice.
Oh yeah, that looks really nice.
To be honest, these run a lot better than the ones I previously used.
Well, now up to the cap pass, I've flushed it out. So it's just, yeah, normal pipeline flush pass. Not too much to fill on the cap, just slick it on.
right, Well Tube family, there you have it. All right, Klay, what do you think about these low hydrogen Ds, man? These downhill rods. What do you think?
They're unreal. Obviously not an expert at it, but I think it came up pretty good.
I don't know, that weld is gorgeous. I don't know. It's like an expert to me.
They're smooth. You actually don't need that much fill on the side. Just the side will fill out on you.
Okay, sweet.
Same with the bottom. The bottom fills out pretty good.
Yeah, the bottom looks great.
Yeah.
I was actually behind the scenes while you were doing. I was watching everything, even with the lens as well, and seeing it, man. These things run smooth.
Smooth.
And you know, now I understand why they're using it now. You know? It's really, it's not. If you know how to run downhill and pipeline with 80-10, you can definitely run one of these. Am I correct?
It'll take a bit, I think.
Yeah, you take a bit.
Still, I got a bit more to do, but
yeah. Okay, well, sweet.
They'll come up pretty good.
Well, we appreciate you, Klay. Again, we're going to be doing a lot more tutorials with these two. This guy's going to be doing a lot of stick tutorials, a lot of pipeline tutorials, and Travis is going to be doing a lot of tutorials as well, a lot of alloy tutorials. So y'all be ready for that. I appreciate you, Klay. And on to the next one we're about to do. So remember, guys, burn, learn, and eventually y'all going to earn. And you can follow us on all our social media, Snapchat, Instagram, and Facebook, all at WeldTube. You can follow Klay on Instagram at Chesham Welding.
Chesham Welding.
Chesham Welding right there.
Instagram.
And you can follow
Travis Field at FieldRes on Instagram, FieldRes on YouTube.
That's right. This guy's from Australia, like I said. So we appreciate you, brother.
All the way.
Thank you.
Cheers, mate.
Appreciate you.